Imagine turning a simple image or idea into a realistic animated video in less than a minute without learning animation, editing, or any complicated software. Sounds impossible. Well, with Pika AI, anyone can create eye-catching AI animations that look surprisingly professional. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been seeing amazing AI animation videos on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok and wondering how people make them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to create realistic AI animation videos using Pika AI, even if you're a complete beginner. First, go to the Pika website and sign in with your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard where you can start creating videos. Pika lets you create videos from text prompts or images. For the best realistic results, I recommend using an image. Upload a clear, high-quality image that you want to animate. This is where the magic happens. Instead of writing something simple like person walking, try something like a realistic young traveler walking through a busy city street, cinematic lighting, natural movement, detailed background, professional camera motion. The more details you add, the better the animation usually looks. After entering your prompt, click Generate. Pika AI will analyze your image and instructions, then create an animated video automatically. This usually takes just a few moments. If the animation doesn't look perfect, don't worry. Try changing the prompt, adding camera movements like slow zoom or cinematic pan, and experiment with different descriptions until you get the result you want. Many creators generate multiple versions before choosing the best one, and that's how you can create realistic AI animation videos using Pika AI in just a few simple steps. The more you experiment with prompts, the better your videos will become. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI content, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.